KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
Good morning, I'm meteorologist Scott Martin. This is the Weather Xtreme video for October 27, 2018, the last Saturday in October. While we may have a few sprinkles mainly over the northeastern parts of the area today, skies will begin clearing, leading us to plenty of sunshine and nice temperatures over the next few days. Unfortunately, Halloween may be a little bit wet for some across the area. More on that in just a minute. As of 6:20 this morning, much of the state is blanketed in cloud cover, but those clouds will begin to move out of the area throughout the day today. Nothing is showing up on radar at this point, but I wouldn't be surprised if a few locations in the northeastern parts of central Alabama may have some mist or light drizzle falling. Temperatures across central Alabama are in the lower to mid-50s at this point, and we will only be getting just a little bit warmer by the afternoon hours. Alright, model fans, so we take a look at today's run of the 06Z GFS valid at 1 p.m. today. We have a trough sitting over the southeast, but as you can see, we are now in the back half of it. That means for us that much of central Alabama will stay dry, but a few sprinkles or very light showers are possible over the northeastern parts of the area. Skies will begin to clear out behind that from the southwest to the northeast, and we should be mostly clear by sunset. Afternoon highs will top out in the upper 50s to the upper 60s. We'll have mainly clear skies throughout the overnight hours, with lows in the mid to upper 40s. For the Magic City Classic today, which kicks off at 2:30 p.m. this afternoon, skies will be clearing over Legion Field throughout the game. Temperatures will start off right around 60 degrees and will fall into the upper 50s by the fourth quarter. For Sunday, the trough continues to move off to the east, allowing for nice weather to settle in for the second half of the weekend. We'll have plenty of sunshine with just a cloud or two, and afternoon highs will be back up in the 70s throughout the area. Sunday night will be fair with lows in the mid-40s to the mid-50s. On Monday and Tuesday, we see that ridging is starting to build just off to our west for the start of the work week, but it starts to level off just a bit on Tuesday as we'll have a trough that starts forming in the west central parts of the country. That means for us plenty of sunshine on both days with highs in the 70s. A few locations in the southern parts of central Alabama may briefly touch 80 degrees on Tuesday. Wednesday, or also known as Trick-or-Treat Day for the kids, we see that the trough is really starting to get its act together off to our west, and a cold front will be draping from the Great Lakes down to central Texas. Warm and moist air will be advecting in front of that, meaning we could have a few scattered showers throughout the day, mainly in the western half of the area, with showers and maybe a clap of thunder becoming more likely after sunset. Unfortunately, it may be wet for some trick-or-treaters. Rain moves in for the entire area during the overnight hours. Highs will be in the mid-70s to the lower 80s, while dropping into the mid-60s to the lower 70s by sunset. On Thursday, the trough really digs in, pushing the cold air, or the cold front, through the area during the day. Showers and a few thunderstorms are likely through the morning hours for all of the area. Then the rain begins to taper off from west to east throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours. All of the shower activity should be out of the state by the late local news time. Highs will be in the upper 60s to the mid-70s. We should end up with rainfall totals in the neighborhood of 1/2 to 1 inch from south to north in central Alabama. On Friday, the center of the trough will be just off to our west as it has really deepened by this time, but the good news is that all of the rain will be well east of us, leaving us with partly to mostly cloudy skies. Highs will be back down in the 60s across the area. Now, taking just a small step out in the voodoo land, we see that next weekend looks to be a rather decent but cool weekend. The GEFS ensemble is only painting a high for Birmingham in the upper 50s for next Saturday and up into the lower 60s for next Sunday. And taking a look at the tropics, we see that subtropical storm Oscar formed late last night over the central Atlantic. He will move westward while strengthening into a hurricane over the next couple of days before being forced out to the northeast by an upper level trough. no threat to the U.S. mainland, and the rest of the Atlantic Basin is quiet at this point. That's it for today's Weather Extreme video. Bill Murray will have your video for Sunday morning. We'll have notes on the blog throughout the day. I'm meteorologist Scott Martin. Have a great day and God bless.